Very, afraid, fearful.
He's very afraid of heights.
He's fearful of heights.
Very, angry, furious.
He was very angry.
He was furious.
Very, bad, awful.
This pizza is very bad.
This pizza is awful.
Very, beautiful, gorgeous.
The sunset is very beautiful.
The sunset is gorgeous.
Very, big, enormous.
The house is very big.
The house is enormous.
Very, boring, dull.
The movie was very boring.
The movie was dull.
Very, bright, luminous.
The room is very bright.
The room is luminous.
Very, busy, swamped.
I'm very busy with work.
I'm swamped with work.
Very, calm, serene.
The lake is very calm.
The lake is serene.
Cautious, very, careful.
He's very careful with his words.
He's cautious with his words.
Very, cheap, inexpensive.
This shirt is very cheap.
This shirt is inexpensive.
Very, clean, spotless.
The house is very clean.
The house is spotless.
Very, cold, freezing.
It's very cold outside.
It's freezing outside.
Very, colorful, vibrant.
The painting is very colorful.
The painting is vibrant.
Very, cold, chilly.
The air is very cold today.
The air is chilly today.
Very, dark, pitch black.
The night was very dark.
The night was pitch black.
Very, dirty, filthy.
The kitchen is very dirty.
The kitchen is filthy.
Very, easy, effortless.
The exam was very easy.
The exam was effortless.
Very, excited, thrilled.
She's very excited for the party.
She's thrilled for the party.
Very, fast, swift.
The car is very fast.
The car is swift.
Very, funny, hilarious.
That joke was very funny.
That joke was hilarious.
Very happy. Elated.
She was very happy to receive flowers.
She was elated to receive flowers.
Very hungry. Starving.
I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
Very loud. Deafening.
This music is very loud.
This music is deafening.
Very old. Ancient.
That building is very old.
That building is ancient.
Very rich. Wealthy.
He's very rich.
He's wealthy.
Very scared. Terrified.
He's very scared of spiders.
He's terrified of spiders.
Very shiny. Gleaming.
The car is very shiny.
The car is gleaming.
Very sweet. Sugary.
The dessert is very sweet.
The dessert is sugary.
Very stupid. Idiotic.
That was a very stupid mistake.
That was an idiotic mistake.
Very slow. Sluggish.
The service was very slow.
The service was sluggish.
Very ugly. Hideous.
The painting is very ugly.
The painting is hideous.
Very tired. Exhausted.
I'm very tired after work.
I'm exhausted after work.